Hello everyone, this is my review of this travel bottle set. This is a set that you can take to travel with all your liquids, and it's TSA approved, so you have the right amount of liquids in there, so you won't be worried about stopped by the TSA. It has 16 pieces to it, and I'm taking them out so you can see them. Most of them have squeeze bottles that you can fill up, and some other smaller containers and spray bottles. You have four squeezable bottles just like this, where you can just squeeze out your solutions. And you have smaller containers like this that you can just unscrew and put your stuff in there. You got your spray bottle here. You can see all your pieces here together. This makes a pretty neat travel kit, and I hope this review helps.